everyone, welcome to Nina Cucina. Today I am going to show you how to truss a bird. I've got some game hens here, a little bird. I use this for every single size of every fowl. So I'm going to just take one and place it right on my work surface, and I'm going to tuck these little wing tips in just like that. I'm actually going to show you two ways, the fancy way and the way that you're going to do it if you get stuck. So you're going to pull out a very generous piece of kitchen twine, and I'm using a dark twine today so you can see it. And what I do is I just grab it in my hand and wrap it around my elbow at least twice. And just cut it off. You're going to probably have more than you need, but that's okay. You can cut it off. It's a real pain in the drain when you get it and it's too short. So you're going to fold it first in half exactly, just like that. Now you're going to grab your little birdie's feet, little ankles, and just pull them together and just wrap that string around them a couple of times. And tie them securely, just like that. Now you've got your feet together. Pull them down. The idea of this is to make a package, and then the whole bird will roast more evenly. Pull it down towards the tail, and you are going to pull that string around those wings, just like that. Tuck them in. And give it a tie. You can always move your string around. See if you can see this on the side, just like that, and give it a tie. Now sometimes what I do is just pull it back again to make sure I've got those wing tips secure against the side. And you just cut off the excess and throw it away. And you can see you have a nice little package. Now I'm going to show you one more way to do this. You can see how that little bird is now all compact, so it will roast evenly. Otherwise, it'll roast like this, and that's how it'll come out of the oven. All right, so just in case that's a little bit too daunting for you, I'm going to just tuck in those wing tips again, and we're not going to mess with them any more than that. If you start to get overwhelmed by this fancy method, what you're going to do is just cut off a piece of string and tie the legs together. Cross them and give them a good tie together. Just pull those little leggies down a little bit. And there you have it. Two birds, trussed two different ways. How to truss a bird.